Good morning. It is time to start with some workouts. I broke my rules and I'm not feeling proud of myself.
Y lo siento yo, como bailalo, gózalo, como lo canto y lo siento yo, como bailalo, gózalo, como lo canto y lo
So let's see what kind of 15-minute mom workouts I can find. I did this one yesterday and it was pretty intensive. So I think I'll just switch up to this one today. And now it's time to do some quick lunch. Let me show you one of my favorite super fast recipes. It is garlic steak pasta. Come and make a lunch with me. Looks like a lot of meat, but my husband is a meat lover, so I always have to triple the portion of meat. So yeah, that's it. It probably does not look that yummy, but trust me, this is so good. And you can add even more Parmigiano if you like to. Now I like to sprinkle parsley on it, and that's it. Super quick and yummy lunch. And voila. And this baby girl just woke up for the market open. It's a new day in the market. Today is a Thursday and we were kind of in this bearish trend on a 5-minute and 15-minute. The market just opened 7 minutes ago and the market just flipped bullish again, respecting this 1-hour demand. So that means for me, I will be looking for 5-minute demand areas. I hope the price will give some kind of pullback for me to hop and buys and target the London highs. And I just messaged my Discord chat, basically summing up the same thing I just explained. So yeah, everything set, my top set broker set, and now I'm just waiting. 45 minutes after the market opening, the price still did not give me any pullback, any opportunity to take some buys, but I'm gonna wait for the price to tap in my original zone, original 5-minute/15-minute zone. So yeah, let's see if the waiting game will actually pay out today. Okay, y'all, let's summarize today's trading day. I just made 5K across 5 accounts. Okay, so 1K per account. And that's amazing. But I broke my rules and I'm not feeling proud of myself. And I just want to be transparent and share this with y'all because I missed 3 so clean, so good demand setups on ES Futures today. And Q never gave me any opportunity to hop in buys. And I was kind of mad and frustrated that I missed those. So I even told to my Discord community that I'm going to step away, that I'm kind of mad and frustrated, and I'll just call it a day. But what did I do after that? I traded. I think around half an hour or hour later, I took a reversal, a counter trend trade, and it was a banger trade, but I'm not happy about it. And I kind of feel that I betrayed myself and the chat because I told them that I'm gonna step away, which I did not do, obviously. So yeah, I'm sharing this with you because I want to be transparent since I'm already vlogging today. Yeah, I don't feel proud of myself, but I'm telling you this because I want to point out that even myself, who is taking payouts and is maybe more advanced than you are, even I struggle with emotions sometimes, especially if I miss good moves and miss good trades. I think long-term discipline is way more important than catching those trades. But short-term is always, it's a struggle, and I feel like it's always gonna be struggle. It's just up to you on how you're gonna how you're gonna grow in this whole journey and how strong you're gonna become to control your emotions, I guess. I still don't have full control over my emotions when it comes to missing a trade and just calling it a day. So yeah, I don't feel proud of myself, but still ended this day green, and I guess that's nice because I lost something yesterday. I lost around 300 on each account, so I'm glad I made it back and some more. But yeah, that's I guess how I could summarize today's trading session. And now, after I confessed in this video to you, I'm gonna show you the actual trade that I took. And yeah, that's actually, it was a banger trade. I should probably start looking into reversal setups more often because mostly I just kind of try to follow the trend, but reversal trades really give you a nice risk reward ratio. So yeah, I should probably start looking into those as well, especially after moves like today's moves. I don't even know how many points NQ and ES made. Okay, so this is the trade that I took. Let me open up a micro ES futures because that is where I actually took the trade. I didn't take anything on NQ today. So okay, as you can see, I missed all of this move, okay, to the upside, and I was super pissed. So I traded a reversal today. I was looking at the 1 minute just around this level after NQ created. No, I shouldn't have closed this window. Yeah. Okay, so this is NQ on the left and this is ES futures on the right. So you see how NQ created this kind of resistance level out here. It was showing the weakness in the market, and ES did not create any kind of resistance, but it closed a 15-minute candle, first red 15-minute candle. I'm sorry, focus on the right side now. This was literally the first red candle in a while. We can say it like that. So I was like, okay, there probably should be some kind of weakness now after all this move and after NQ created that resistance. So I was like, okay, let me switch down to the 1 minute and just see if I can get any break of structure, because now might be a nice time to catch some kind of reversal into this demand area. I was not ready for, to hold the position towards the VWAP or some lower demand areas. I was only targeting this very recent demand area on a 5 minute. So as you can see, I entered after we got this break of structure and kind of disrespected this trend line. I got in here and I moved my stop loss to break even so fast because I was like, no, I'm not risking any money. I don't want to lose today. And thank God I wasn't even in a drawdown. This went down to my TP so smooth, so fast. And yeah, this is basically my counter trend trade that I took today that unfortunately it rewarded me pretty nice, but I'm not proud of it. And yeah. It's still a good trade. Should I start trading the reversals? I don't know. Maybe I should. But I definitely should not break my rules. If I say that I'm going to call it a day, I should just step away and lock myself out and do absolutely nothing. And fun fact, after I confessed to my Discord chat that I took that counter trend setup, I laughed so hard because so many people confessed that they took the same trade as well, that they took another trade as well. And it was so funny because I wasn't alone in it. There were people who took the exact same setup. So it was so funny. I love chatting with those people while I'm looking at the charts, because this makes trading is so much more fun. And if you want to join us, if you want to join my free Discord chat, you can click on the link down below. We are active in the chat every single day, Monday through Friday, except on the weekends because the futures market is closed on the weekends. So yeah, you can join us. We are sharing our setups, we are sharing our markups, our thoughts, and it's just learning every day and growing up together, because trading is the most boring job ever. So yeah, if you are watching this video and if you watch this video until now, make sure to join us and to grow with us. And yeah, make sure to share this video as well, because maybe you can bless someone else who is kind of struggling in his trading journey. So yeah, join us and I look forward to having you in there.